Industrialized Building System (IBS) is a term used in Malaysia for a technique of construction whereby components are manufactured in a controlled environment, either at site or off-site, placed and assembled into construction works. It is also known as prefabricated construction. The ground is excavated and leveled. Then, pile caps are used in construction of foundation and ensure that pile cap is in correct position. Metal bearing plates and embedded anchor boards are casted in the end of the column. The connection of column stump to the foundation is steel base plate joint, which metal bearing plates are fixed at the end of the column and anchor boards are embedded fixed with nuts. Construction is followed by the in-situ reinforced ground beams and ground slabs. In-situ concrete slabs are prepared on-site, which concrete are poured into framework with prepared welded wire reinforcing fabric. Regarding the column to beam connection, the precast beams are set in place. Beams are set on bearing pads on the column cobble. Then, precast wall panels are installed. The panels are lifted and positioned by crane. The wall panels are supported by prop and tied with C-channel. Panels are then connected together by using high-strength cement grout to fill up gaps in between after the entire precast wall panels are placed. The hollow core floor panels are placed on top of the I-beam or T-beam. The hollow core slabs are set on bearing pads, which sits on top of precast beam. Steel reinforcing bars are inserted into slab keyways to span the joint. The concrete is reinforced with RC bars of 16 mm in diameter is for longitudinal members, and 12 mm in diameter for transverse members. Next, precast staircase is installed. The connection of the stairs with the landing are using the tongue and groove method. For the connection of the adjacent wall with the stairs, dowels are used to connect and fasten both the objects together. The concrete staircase is of grade 35 with a ratio of 1:3:5 and has a 16 mm RC bars. Railing posts are inserted to be firmly fixed to balcony structure with fixing plate and handwheel connectors that fits into the top of posts. The roof is fabricated on site after the superstructure is set up. The main structure of the roof is a steel truss and the small C-purlin is positioned above the truss by using I-plate. A layer of nettings was laid to secure the rock wool in place, then followed by aluminium sheet. The corrugated metal deck then placed as a finishing layer. As a conclusion, IBS method saves up to 80% less labor and increases productivity and 7 times faster than normal block work. This construction is also precise due to the factory finished products. Besides, it results in cleaner site and reduces wastage.